God, there's pain I can't explain. Some of it aches in my body, some of it lingers deep in my heart, and some of it hides behind my smile. But none of it hides from you. You see every tear I tried not to cry. You know the exact name of the illness. You understand the heartbreak I can't put into words. So here I am, not just looking for relief, but looking for restoration. You said in Jeremiah 30 verse 17 that you would give me back my health and heal my wounds. Lord, I'm holding you to that promise. Whether the wound is from a diagnosis, a breakup, a loss, or a memory that won't let go, you are the healer, Jehovah Rapha, the God who restores. I don't just need medicine, I need your touch. I don't just need distraction, I need your peace. Reach into every cell of my body and flood it with life, into every part of my mind and silence the torment, into every inch of my soul and stitch together what's been torn. And Lord, while you heal me, help me to wait in hope, not fear, in faith, not frustration. Remind me that healing can be a process, that time in your hands is never wasted. I won't compare my journey to others. I won't panic if it takes longer than I hoped, because your timing is perfect, your methods are wise, and your love is constant. Isaiah 41:10 says, "Don't be afraid, for I am with you. Don't be discouraged, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will hold you up with my victorious right hand." Hold me up, Lord. In moments of fatigue, be my strength. In waves of sadness, be my joy. In the waiting, be my calm. I believe healing is coming. Whether through a miracle or a journey, you are still working. You are still good. Thank you for loving me back to wholeness. In Jesus' powerful name, amen.